What is up, guys? Danny O here at ApparelWin, and I am thrilled to give you guys a tour of the world's largest fabric market, the Guangzhou Zhongda Fabric Market. This market is an incredible hub for fashion brands globally, stretching across several square kilometers and hosting thousands of vendors. Here you'll find everything you need to create your next collection, from high-quality cotton to luxurious silks, eco-friendly options, and innovative textiles. Now, let me give you an idea of the scale and significance of this place. This is the biggest fabric market. It's a massive ecosystem. Every single year, designers, buyers, and brand owners from all over the world come here to source materials, get inspired, and find suppliers. This market caters to every fashion segment, whether you're in streetwear, haute couture, activewear, or sustainable fashion. Zhongda has the resources you need. So why is this market so significant to the fashion industry? First of all, it offers unparalleled variety, bringing together materials from across Asia and beyond, meaning brands can find unique and diverse fabrics that aren't always available in other markets. Second, it's incredibly cost-effective. The scale of this market means competitive pricing, which is essential for brands managing budgets without compromising quality. Each area within the market is organized by fabric type or specialty, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. There's entire sections dedicated to cotton, denim, polyester, blends, silk, and even specialty technical fabrics for performance wear. In addition to raw fabrics, you'll find suppliers offering trims, buttons, zippers, and embezzlements. Basically, all components that complete your designs. And remember, guys, the ApparelWin office and showroom are located right nearby. We offer a workspace where you can organize your finds, review materials, and even begin the production process. Plus, if you choose to work with ApparelWin, we offer a free fabric sourcing service. We have a strong reputation in the fabric market, allowing us to get you free fabric books and secure high-quality fabrics at competitive prices. With our support, you can make your styles come to life quickly and efficiently. So, join us here in Guangzhou and explore this incredible hub of creativity and resources for the fashion world.
These people who own these booths, they come from like a factory that makes...
No, a lot of people, they're agency. So we can tell, we know. Yeah, and sometimes they can give you some price with different information and you think, oh, it's cheaper, but actually it's more expensive.
So yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of important to have you guys when we do this.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah, can we have the book? Oh, this is a freeze, you see? This is a freeze. Yeah. But it's special.
I like that, yeah.
I like that. Yeah, you can make one sample. Yeah, you can make one sample.